Well, we run our trucks with no glue on the side.
Until we go to Geelong.
Oh, then they need to be glued up.
Yeah.
Oh, really? They come off?
Because their grip's so high at that little track, it just rips them off the wheels.
Oh, right.
So I had to glue them. I had to glue them. Talking about Geelong and G-Town, that's a good segue.
Yeah.
I got a little something for you.
That looks like, that's pretty shiny.
It's shiny. Now the other week, a while ago, I had on the RS1.0 with GT bodies. We had the Walker bodies,
yes.
We had the Aries body, and we had another P3 GTR painted up. Well, at the same time, we actually had the Epon done. So tonight's a practice night over at Geelong. I'm going over to cut some laps, and I wanted to have a closer look at the RS1.0 with the Epon.
Sure.
So now it looks like a race car, right? It looks like every other ISTC.
Yes, so this is a competition touring car body.
Yep, from Bittydesign called the Epon.
Yes.
And it has been competition touring car mounted. And you can tell that by the ridiculous way that it sits forward over the front axle.
So this is very forward mounted for more frontal downforce.
Precisely 7.3 millimeters is the optimum.
Is it?
I didn't measure it, but I just tell people that.
Okay.
Right, because it sounds impressive.
It does, doesn't it?
But it is at least 6 mil forward.
Right.
It's more than 6 mil forward. And if you have a look here, so it's not done for aesthetics at all. It's done for outright speed.
So I guess that's why most of the modern touring cars have a lot of flat area here.
A lot of flat area.
So you can actually move the wheel arch without it interfering with tyres.
So you might even use the same body shell.
Yes.
And you might have it mounted in 2 mil increments further and rearward.
Right.
On the same car.
Yes.
Yeah. So anyway, so have a look at it. It's got sweeps. Now let's have a look.
It's pretty shiny.
Let's
it's like a mirror finish.
Under the hood. Yeah, and this is just rattle can.
Rattle can.
Tommy Huggins, to me a rattle can PS48 backed with black. One color wonder. Now these stickers, how good do they look?
Well, they enhance it for sure.
J-Spec stickers and designs. And if you guys ever want any of our artwork, for say if you see any of these cool stickers and you want them, you can get hold of J-Spec and he's got all the artwork on file. All our hero brands. Let's have a look.
Look at this beast. What a gigantic fan hanging off it there.
Yes. My last fan was Hawaiian.
Was it now? I heard about that.
That's the technical terminology when your fan breaks due to being hit and run off the track.
Right. I see. Was your previous fan this size too?
Previous fan was this size. That was actually attached to the chassis.
Right.
But I've actually put the mount and lifted up off the chassis to give it a little bit more give.
Okay, fair enough.
But yeah, the plastic fans do break. But when you are racing stock spec touring cars, 21, 17 or 13.5, you will want fans on your motors.
Yes.
Because they will let you run it harder. They make a big difference, 10, 15 degrees if you have a really big fan.
Yes.
You can see here I've got the Racing Performer, which is YOKOMO's electronics arm. Yeah, really nice. Let me fire it up.
Oh, listen to that.
That is pushing a lot of air.
And so you've got like a bit of plastic on the back here to duct it.
A little bit of ducting again. That's just made from my old body shell cut-offs and stuff.
Yes.
You can get really nice 3D printed ones.
Yeah.
But
that's adding weight, right?
I go through that many fans, that's right. And it does have the beautiful little Orca alloy mount there that clamps onto the motor.
Oh.
So it's really nice.
Yes.
And the fan screws to that.
Right.
So that clamps to the motor.
Yes.
Then you screw the fan down.
Right.
Yeah.
Nice.
There you go. So that is it. But have a look at this. Now, you noticed before I said, please don't open the 6800 box.
Because it's here.
Because it's here.
Right.
Have a look at this. This is perfect for stock spec racing. 6800, 246 grams. Beautiful. I'm going to give this a run tonight. That's why I'm going to practice. I'm going to test this clarity gear.
Nice.
Going to give it a run and report back to the head office and my findings. Not that the car's going to push its boundaries, but we've also got the latest Sweep D36 rubber on the dish wheels.
Yes.
And I also this week fitted, YOKOMO released, this is a RS, this is an entry-level car. They released sway bars.
That's right. So sway bars have been fitted here. They come with, it's a full set, right?
They come with 3 front and 3 rear.
Okay.
So I've just put the lightest ones on as a starting point, front and rear, just to keep the balance right. See how we go. Really good kit. Took about 10, 20 minutes to fit up. Really nice. Really
it should
adjustable.
work well at G-Town tonight, right? Because you got high traction.
Yeah, when it's gripped up, the RS did need it. If it's low grip or really bumpy, maybe like Bendigo, for example,
Yes.
you may not need it or didn't have it.
Yes.
Even TFTR earlier in the year at the Masters didn't have them.
Yes.
Would it have benefited? I don't know.
It's a really easy retrofit, right?
Yeah.
Just
Really
got the
old
balls
school.
down there on the lower arm, and then just a rear mount here.
That's right. So yeah, got the Orca Blitzstream 3 in there.
Yes.
The totem.
Yes.
Got the Wi-Fi module. We're off. Got the transponder. MKS 575. We're off and running. Yeah. So I just want to do a quick overview on what is happening.
Nice.
But yeah, mainly for the beautiful, to show that we do actually do race car stuff. You know, it's not all giggles. And this is the highest performing thing from Bittydesign. I love it. I can't wait to get it on the track. Let's see. Also taking the Phaser tonight and the TT01.
Nice.
Because you just need to let these cars cool down as well.
Yes, certainly.
And I want track time. It's a practice night, so